In this video, we're going to cover how to pack a mountain bike in an EVOC bike bag. The exact process may vary depending on the size of your bike, but typically you will need to do the following things. Remove your pedals. Remove your front wheel, and for disc brakes, place a spacer or piece of cardboard in your front brake caliper to prevent the pads from coming together. Shift your rear wheel into the smallest cog and remove your rear wheel. Next, remove your derailleur. Remove disc brake rotors so they do not get bent or damaged in transit. Remove bottle cages. Remove or lower your seat post. You can save this step for last if you're using a work stand. Just don't forget it. Finally, remove your handlebars. Once you've removed the necessary items, we recommend that you protect your bike. A good way to do this is to use recycled cardboard or foam pipe insulation to cover and pad your frame's tubes and fork legs. Protect your dropouts by using spacers to prevent external forces from damaging your frame in transit. You can use rolled cardboard or cut-to-length PVC pipe. Once your bike has been protected, secure anything loose or hanging like your handlebars and derailleur. You can use zip ties or straps. EVOC cases also include a padded strap that wraps around your top tube and down tube for securing your handlebars. For small parts like your pedals, bottle cages, seat bag, rotors, tools, etc., we recommend utilizing the pockets inside of the bike bag or making a small parts box. This prevents loose items from moving around in your bike bag during transit and causing damage to your bike. Now it's time to place your bike in the EVOC bike bag. Use the integrated straps to secure your bike in place and prevent as much movement as possible. Finally, place the wheels in their separate wheel pockets. Now that your bike is packed, you can create your label. Notice that for popular cases and boxes, we have pre-filled the dimensions in the drop-down menu while you're going through the label making process. Once you print your label, make sure to attach it to a handle of your case using a luggage tag, as packing tape and label pouches do not stick well to the outside of soft cases. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bike Flights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.